And back now to our breaking news coverage. After 2 days of deliberations, a split verdict. A jury found Aurora Officer Randy Roedema guilty of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault, and Officer Jason Rosenblatt was found not guilty on all charges.
Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter outside the courtroom live with an update for us now. Danielle.
Yeah, Jessica, I was inside when that verdict was read, and it was emotional for all parties involved. When Roedema was found guilty, shortly after, a woman could be heard sobbing in the gallery. Rosenblatt let out an audible sigh, dropping his head onto the desk that he was sitting in front of, eventually sharing hugs with his attorneys and everyone in the front row of the gallery, supporters and family members. Elijah McClain's mother also in the courtroom sharing hugs with supporters after that verdict was read. Now, Roedema is set to be sentenced on January 5th. Attorney General Phil Weiser, who was assigned to be a special prosecutor of this case, gave a brief statement a few moments ago, not taking any questions from the media at this time on account of the two other trials in relation to Elijah McClain's death that are upcoming. But he did say that Elijah McClain's mother has been resilient through this entire process. He says he knew this was going to be a difficult case, but it was important to hold those responsible accountable. And he says today's verdict is accountability. He knows that there may be members of the community who don't agree with the jury's verdict, but he says that this is justice and that everyone should respect that jury's decision. Live in Adams County, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
Danielle, thank you. And the Aurora Police Department just issued a statement about the verdict, writing in part, "We respect the verdict handed down by the jury and thank the members of the jury for their thoughtful deliberation and service." Police Chief Art Acevedo says there will be no further comment at this time due to additional pending trials in the death of Elijah McClain. And charges in this case were not brought until 2 years after the death of Elijah McClain, and by then, in June of 2020, a national reckoning had begun over racial injustice of policing here in the U.S., sparked by the death of George Floyd.
It really was public outrage. Floyd and McClain's death, it sparked protests in June of 2020. Thousands of people showed up in Aurora to the Municipal Center calling for charges in the death of McClain. Governor Polis eventually ordered the state attorney general to investigate the case.
And as we mentioned, the trial of Roedema and Rosenblatt, the first of several connected to the death of Elijah McClain. Former Aurora officer Nathan Woodyard is scheduled to go on trial tomorrow. Woodyard was the first officer on scene who's facing similar charges to Roedema and Rosenblatt for his use of a hold which cuts blood supply to the brain.
Then the two paramedics who administered the lethal dose of ketamine to McClain are also facing charges. That's scheduled to start later this year. All have pleaded not guilty. For a look at our complete coverage on the death of Elijah McClain, head to Denver7.com, and we'll have more coverage on the verdict tonight on Denver 7.